Hey, evening. Right, what we got on today is, stop moving around. What we got on today is I've decided to fit. Where's it going over there? Over here. One of these, which is a Fiamma Vent 28. So we'll have a look at what. I must have turned that off actually. So you can have a look. What we got. So we've got screen. Look at like. Okay, so that is the surround. Now we'll drop down on there. So I need to see. I'm gonna get that like that way. So it's going to be very tight, but we can do this. So, right. Let's have a look. Yeah, like that. So, I'll get that off there. So, I'm going to need a socket set. Okay, so as I showed you, I've made this template which went around the vent, and then I'll take this up on the roof, mark it down. I can draw around the inside, which is 28, 280 either side, drop this down, mark it around, drill in each corner, and then I can use the jigsaw then to cut it all the way around. I'm going to go really tight at one of the cross members going across, so I'm hoping that I don't have to use the wood packing to clamp it down. I'm hoping on the top, if I use enough packing on the top of the roof with the mastic seal that I'll show you, is that the roof vent will sit down on top of that, and then when I clamp it from underneath, it'll be greater than 25mm and it'll pinch it right the way around, and then I can get away with the wood, because the ceiling in this part of the van was just going to be carpeted anyway, so it wasn't going to have a roof. So I'm hoping I'm going to get away without the wood surround, and it's just going to clamp either side, and then the glue and the mastic will seal it all up. But let's get on the roof. Right, ready for this? So have a look how tight it is. We're going in. Okay, so it fits in alright. There you go. Let's have a look what it looks like from underneath. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to pack this up in between there and there, and around there, so it's to this level, so it'll seal right way around. And I'm using plastic sealant right way around. I'm also going to use the caravan sealant as well, right way around. So I'll Okay, so I'm using a bit of white ceramic paint, and I'm going to paint around the edge just to make sure none of it rusts. Around. It's got like a rim in there that you put the seal in. I'll pump that right around. And I'm using 522 caravan mastic in white. So, where they are stuck. So as you can see, it's been sealed right way around now, and this ain't going anywhere. I mean, this is stuck on the firm. What I have got to do, I've got to wash off all the bits of metal. See, I'm gonna have to spill all that off, so I'm gonna have to get the hose out and wash all that down, because otherwise I'm gonna have like metal rust marks everywhere all over the roof. So I'm gonna wash all that down with the hose pipe now. I might also test, make sure this has gone off, but it looks great. Really pleased how it went. Alright, so I've had a reseal with the mastic tape up around the top. Let's have a look. So you see, I've dressed that right way around now, and so I'm quite confident this isn't gonna leak. I obviously got away without using the timber around the side there, and I finished off nice, the right height that I wanted it, and that's pretty much right over where the cooker is as well. So pleased with that. So that's another one done. I have got another one to do in here as well, which I was going to change that one as well, but I bought it, but I just ain't got time for Scotland because I need to take the ceiling out to get to it. So that's going to be the other side of Scotland. So that will be coming out. There'll be another one going in there as well. But I think we're pretty much we're nearly there now. Well, for this trip anyway. So getting really excited now. Can't wait. Absolutely can't wait. It's been a hectic couple of weeks. And got another weekend in between when we go. Potter around really. I just do some cleaning or whatever. Might take the van out with the dogs for a run round up on a local mountain or whatever. We're going to have a look around. Yeah, so really pleased how it's going. Brilliant. 90 subscribers, can you believe it? Absolutely incredible. Chuffed to bits with it. So 90 subscribers would be great to get 100 before we go to Scotland, but if not, let's pick them up when we get to Scotland, because I've got loads to do. I've got loads of cooking things I'm going to do. I've taken the walk, I'm doing, yeah, just loads. All the fishing gear's packed. I've got to sort my lures out. I'm hoping to do some fly fishing up there as well. I'm going around, there's a couple of rivers up there that you can get day tickets on, so I'm hoping to pick up a bit of fishing up there. I definitely be doing, I'll be on the coast anyway, a lot of it. So I'll definitely doing some sea fishing, some lure fishing up there. We're going for the pollock again. See what we get. But yeah, it's gonna be a lot easier than it was the other two times, obviously with the hole in the door now, and the new oven, the gas, those inside of those little canisters. Anyway, waffling on again. Absolutely chuffed to bits. Can't wait to go. Yeah, please give me the world if you'd like to subscribe if you haven't already. It really would. I mean, this is just the start of the adventure going forward now, getting up to Scotland. I already know what it's like, and I know how good it's going to be. No matter what the weather, it's going to be absolutely perfect. So anyway, have a nice evening, and I'll speak to you again.